Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today the video will be about Windows File Explorer crashing. By the way, it can be for Windows 10 and 11, both of them. So it happened to me yesterday, and I was afraid, but I found a solution. So yeah, why not share it with you? So first of all, by the way, again, it works for Windows 11 but also 10. It's the same. So first, let's go here. Let's write Control Panel. Guys, it's in French, but it's okay. And then in categories, just put big icons, all right? And then search for File Explorer or whatever options or something like this, I think, in English. So just search for this icon, okay? Then click here. Then here, don't touch anything. Just click here. You will find it like restore the default or something like that. After clicking here, click apply and then just okay. All right, so this is the first thing that you're going to do. I'm not going to do this because I already did it, so there's no need. Then we have some commands. Okay, first of all, if that one didn't work for you, this worked for me, by the way. So first let's go and type cmd, then click here, run it as administrator, okay, and then you will copy paste each one of these commands. So we have 3. You will copy paste it here, you guys, and then run. I will not do it again. It will take, the first one will take, I think it took like 5 to 5 minutes. So just wait for it. And I forgot about the rest, but the first one, I was like, what the heck? Just go. Like, this will scan your computer, will scan anything, will scan if there's something changed or if there's any malicious thing, okay? The second one is will clean up anything wrong, let's say, and also will scan the health of your computer and stuff, and then restore the best, let's say, condition for your computer or something like this. And that's it. After doing this, these 3, so first of all this, click OK, wait for some minutes, then this, click OK, of course you will copy paste, I mean, and then the third one, and that's it. Okay, you guys, I hope it works for you because it worked for me yesterday. And if not, just write me in the comments and I will find some other solutions. I have nothing to do, guys. Just helping you. All right, so bye-bye.